I want to thank all of you for coming to the second installment of Inside the Actor's Toolbox. Now, last week, we learned about the actor's body. And we used masks to show that sometimes you do not need to show your face to emote. Now, tonight, I want to highlight the emotions that an actor has at their disposal in their toolbox. Now, many actors will tell you that you have a rainbow of emotions at your disposal. There are only three main emotions that an actor portrays, and it is grief, it is surprise, and it is rage. Now, what I'm going to do for you tonight is display these emotions on stage. And I'm going to show you that you don't need to draw from all of these horrible childhood memories to feel grief, surprise, and rage. I'm going to start off by doing grief, and I'm going to, I'll set the scenario. So now I've just come home, and my lover is dead on the ground. And he's in a pool of his own blood. And this is unexpected to me, so now here we go. Grief. Oh, what a lovely time we had in the market today. Oh, dear God! God in heaven, why did you take him? Why did you remove his soul from his body? Why did you see fit to darken the lights of his eyes? What did he ever do to you? He just wanted to love you. Why do you hate him so much? To kill him and take him away from me? Oh, God. And that's Now, the next emotion I'm going to show is surprise. Now, this one's tricky. Not many actors want to do it because it can get a little bit ugly. Your face gets a little ugly. It's hard to show surprise with a pretty face. Thank God I look the way I do, so here we go. This is surprise. Here we go. Oh! And this is a scenario. I come home and all my friends have party hats on and they're dancing around a birthday cake, and this comes as a surprise to me. So. Boy, what a fine day we had in the market today. Boy, oh boy, I got some lovely melons. Oh my God! Look at all of my friends in party hats dancing around the Good Lord, why have you blessed me in such a manner? Oh my God! I'm not surprised. This one's gonna blow your pants right off. This one is rage. And boy, is this one a nasty little devil. Most people want to suppress it, but not here right now. Get ready to have your eyebrows singed right off your face.